Today, I'll show you how to close your Protonmail account step by step. If you've decided to move to another email provider or you simply don't need this account anymore, this walkthrough will help you safely remove it. We'll go through where to click, what to look out for, and a few tips to make sure you don't lose anything important along the way. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official site and then sign into the account you want to close. It's a good idea to double check that you're logged into the right inbox, especially if you manage more than one email address. Before you go any further, think about whether there's anything you might want to save, important messages, attachments, or contacts. If there is, download or forward those now so you don't lose access later. Once you're signed in and ready, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon. This is where Protonmail keeps all of the options that control how your account works, including the tools to manage or remove it. After clicking the gear, you'll see a panel or menu with different options. Here, look for the option that says All Settings and click on it. This will take you to the full settings area instead of just the quick or basic settings. Using the full settings view makes it easier to find the account controls you need for closing your account. Inside the full settings page, you'll see several sections or tabs, usually listed on the left side or across the top, depending on the current layout. Find the section labeled Account and Password and click on it. This is the area where you manage key information about your account, such as login details, recovery options, and other account level actions. Because closing your account is a serious change, Protonmail places it in this more secure central spot. Once you're in the account and password section, scroll down the page slowly. Take your time here because Protonmail often includes helpful information or warnings related to different account actions. As you scroll, look for an option or button that says Delete your account. It may be grouped with other security or account management tools. When you see Delete your account, click on it. At this point, Protonmail may show you a confirmation screen or ask you to verify your decision, possibly including re-entering your password or confirming that you understand what will happen next. Read any messages carefully because closing your account can mean permanent loss of emails, contacts, and any related data stored in that account. If you're sure you want to proceed, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the deletion. And that's it. By going to protonmail.com, opening the settings with the gear icon, choosing all settings, selecting account and password, and then scrolling down to delete your account, you've completed the process to close your Protonmail account.